Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 EC, and I'll show you how to enable or disable HUAWEI Assistant on this device. So as can you see, when I swap with the finger to the right side, the HUAWEI Assistant is activated here. And just to turn off this feature, we should at the same time to the center slide with our two fingers, and then here click on the right down corner to the home screen settings. And just to turn off HUAWEI Assistant, you should click once again here on this switcher. And as can you see, the assistant is turned off. And by the same way, just to enable the HUAWEI Assistant, you should click here once again on the switcher, and as can you see, it's worked. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.